Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be creating this super fresh, beautiful looking skin makeup look, especially for summer daytime. And today I'm gonna be showing you some of my favorite summertime makeup hacks and tricks. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So starting off with the NYX, this is everything lip oil to prep my lips, and then I'm using a moisturizer just to prep my skin as well. I'm taking a little bit and applying it all over my face to give some hydration to my face. Now to prime my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. This primer doesn't have any silicone feel to it. It doesn't do too much for my pores, but it gives a little bit hydration to my skin and I totally love it. Guys, this is a daytime look and I'm taking a sunblock and taking a little bit on the back of my hand, around half a pump of it, and then I'm taking a liquid illuminator. This is from Faces, and then I'm adding some foundation to it and I'll be applying this concoction all over my face. Now guys, when I was applying the foundation, my camera, I don't know why, stopped recording. So this is the clip where I was blending my foundation, and as you can see the finish of it, and this gives me very fresh, dewy looking skin like finish that I totally love. Now I'm taking my all-time favorite concealer with me. As you can see how much I have used it, and this is my absolutely favorite concealer, as you guys know by now. So I'm applying it wheresoever I'd like to highlight my face, nothing too ham with it. So I just dipped it once, and whatever was there in the concealer wand, I just applied it all over the areas. And then I'm blending it with a beauty sponge. And then I took a banana powder. This one is from NYX. So I'm not using any compact powder today, and I'm using a banana powder instead of it because I don't want any coverage, and I just want to set those areas where I have a little bit of oiliness peeking through, or the areas can get oily throughout the day. Then to set everything on place, I'm using the setting spray from Wet n Wild, and whatever was extra, I'm using a beauty sponge to deal with it. For my brows, I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and with that I'm just filling in my brows ever so slightly so that my brows look structured but natural at the same time. Then I'm using a spoolie to blend the products whatever was there in my brows so that it doesn't look harsh or too stark. Then I'm using a clear brow gel to set my brows on place. Then I'm taking this Body Shop Matte Lip Liquid in the shade Nairobi Camellia, and today I'm gonna be using it as a blush, and today I'm skipping any contour or bronzer, just the blush. So this will give you some beautiful flush on your cheeks that I love. So whenever I go out in summer, I don't like using a lot of products to my face because I feel very sweaty and I sweat on my face a lot. So I don't use a lot of products, but I make sure that I use a blush to my cheeks because it gives some color to my face and I don't end up look like a white walker. So yeah, first I used the product with my finger, and then I'm using a flat top brush to blend everything in. Now this is a blush brush, but I use it to apply my foundation, to blend my foundation, to apply my base products. I use it for my blush. This is basically a multi-purpose product for me, and I got it from Amazon, and this is very inexpensive as well. Then I took my foundation brush and just blending everything so that it doesn't look very harsh. And then I'm applying the same Body Shop Matte Liquid Lipstick all over my eyelid to give some color to it. And then I applied some mascara on my upper lashes, and I skipped bottom lashes today so that my upper lashes looks a little bit bigger. Then for highlighting my face, I chose a stick highlighter today, and I'm using my fingers to apply it and just blending it as well with the help of my fingers so that it doesn't look too beaming or too blinding. So I wanted to make it look like a very beautiful glow from within kind of look, and the highlighter looks stunning, you guys. Then I took the same banana powder and I'm just blotting my face with it a little bit so that the products I applied doesn't move and my base doesn't move as well, and my face gets oily throughout the day. To prevent that, I'm using this powder because it doesn't have any coverage but it mattifies my skin a little bit. Then I used a powder blush on the top of the cream products so that it sets the cream products and I get some color to my cheeks as well. For my lips, I'm using the same Body Shop matte lip liquid in the shade Nairobi Camellia, and this color is to die for. This is my absolutely favorite summer lip shade. And that's the finished look. Look how beautiful, glowy, flawless and fresh it looks. I totally love it. Now if you guys want a glossy lip, you can use a lip oil like this as well. I just applied the NYX Everything lip oil on top of it, and this looks so pretty, fresh and juicy, and I am totally in love with it. So yeah, that's the finished look. So I hope you guys like this look. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.